Hi guys. What would the Rockefellers do? I ordered this book offline. I saw the ad, I want to say on Facebook about a year ago. And it might have been 2 years ago. I was this is sad. Okay, yeah, it had to be 2 years ago because he made it in 2019. Okay, whatever. Yeah. This book is life. Only because it gives some good tips about how we can set up our financial system. Like I'm new to this financial world with the stocks and dabbling in a different insurance beyond the term policies and the basic whole life policies. So we understand the um, using your cash value and stuff like that. But I've always understood it like on a peon level, like on just the beginning, and then I was interested in what it does. So I kind of got into becoming an agent. I do have my life insurance licenses, but I'm not here to sell life insurance right now. I want to talk about this book because I just want to read a piece of it just to get y'all mind to turning. And I got this for free. I don't even think I had to pay for shipping. I don't remember, but it was basically giving it away online. So I ordered it and I read it, and I got plenty highlights in here and plenty notes, like words I don't know the meaning to. I'm underlining because I need to know. All right, but I'm gonna read this real quick. It won't take that long, y'all. Like, just get your mind to turning. And look, never mind this big mattress behind me, or the unmade bed, or the little girl in the bed. Just gotta see. Don't worry about it. All right, so this is in chapter 2. Can I really have my own family bank? Yes, you can. All right, so I'm just gonna read a little bit. In an ideal financial plan, you would be able to minimize risk and loss of money, minimize taxation on money you accumulate, minimize taxation on the money you distribute, earn a rate of return on your money, have money available that you can use throughout your life, have contingencies for death, disability, emergency, and unforeseen factors, have economic certainty, have a systemic flow of money into your plan, and have the flexibility to make changes to your plan. You can do all of this with a strategy that integrates cash flow insurance. Skipping a few sentences. When you utilize cash flow insurance, you no longer have to apply for a loan. You no longer have to use your credit to take out a loan. You don't have to fill out a whole bunch of paperwork. You don't have to deal with a whole slew of obstacles because you now have a system to access money inside your policy. It is your money that you can do with it what you want. Moreover, you have flexible payback periods. You get to choose how much and when you're going to pay back the loan. If the loan is utilized for business purposes, you may even be able to write off the interest. You can earn interest on your money while borrowing from the insurance company instead of paying interest to the bank. And you can build up your legacy plan and Rockefeller Trust at the same time. So don't sit on money earning less than 1%. Instead, store your money where you can earn better interest or collect dividends along the way. And even earn interest when you finance things. Finance things yourself. Moreover, you'll have a tax favored situation just like a bank would have if they were the ones storing your money. This is crazy, you may be saying to yourself. Is this really possible? Can I really have all of this? Can I really be my own bank and set up a family bank for the future? I am here to tell you that you can, at least if you live in the United States or Canada. There's a way to create more liquidity, recover more cash, have much more predictability, and own the system rather than becoming a part of a system you can't control. I call it cash flow insurance. Cash flow insurance is a banking alternative that actually pays interest. It can create a structure to save on insurance costs from term life insurance, long-term care, or even taxes, and it can outperform the measly interest paid by the banks. You can save money in a permanent whole life insurance policy and coordinate those savings with all of your money making decisions. You can use your own money instead of the bank's money and set up a loan scenario where you are in control of your payback periods and using your cash value to access money from the insurance company. Whole life insurance products are often guaranteed at 4% plus a possible dividend minus the cost of insurance. Depending on your age, your health, and how you find them, you will be able to net 3.75% to 5.25% on every cash dollar you put into the policy, as long as it is structured properly. Keyword when y'all set up insurance policies, structured properly. You have to find the right agent to set this up for you. Because normal agents, they don't know outside of the basics. And I love my insurance agents, the smart ones, the ones who've been there for a long time. But some people just really dabble in a lane, and a lot of stuff that's kind of outside the box or not very popular, they don't know. They don't really know. So he gave a company in the book also who he uses to set up this cash flow plan for him. So that's a good tidbit, a good place to start. And if it's affordable, if you like them or don't like them, I don't know, but I am gonna attach that to the video. All right, as long as our policy is structured properly. Then, when you want to access the money in your policy, you do so by utilizing a policy loan feature. This feature is exclusive to this product. No other product offered by a financial institution allows for you to borrow their money up to the amount of money you have in your policy and not interrupt the exponential growth of your accumulating cash. Let's skip a tidbit. If you utilize cash flow insurance and get everything properly set up, you'll be able to pay for your kids' college, pay off debt, finance your home or car, start a business, have an emergency fund, and earn interest the whole time. Cash flow insurance is an instrumental creating economics. It is instrumental in creating economic independence. It will increase your clarity and peace of mind by allowing you to know rather than to hope. When you know that your savings are stored securely, where they will have a guaranteed rate of return, you can make your financial decisions, run your business, and plan your life in a different way than when you are just hoping. Then you can leverage that certainty in your planning in all the other areas of your life. So do what the Rockefellers do. Make the choice to redirect the money you're currently saving and reallocate those dollars into your cash flow insurance policy. Real quick, so that's what it's kind of saying, guys. In a nutshell, instead of saving your money in the bank where you're only earning 0 point something percent or maybe 1 to 2%, 3% at the max, put it in a certain type of insurance policy where you can go and borrow the money from the policy, but it won't be your money that you borrow. Your money will stay in the policy and it will continue to get compound interest and be used the way that they use it. So you'll just borrow their money and use it how you see fit. And you can pay the money back however you choose. It's flexible. Or you can not pay the money back at all and it'll just come out of the death benefit. But okay, let me get back to this. Because this stuff blew my mind when I started learning about it. I want in. But okay, but you got to learn about it first. So you got to do your due diligence to figure out all you need to know. All right. So this will allow you to have liquidity, savings, the death benefit, and the guarantees, and enable you to utilize your money along the way for future financial decisions, all while benefiting yourself instead of benefiting financial institutions. Guard against uncertainty and stop feeling so stressed out about finances. So, that was just a tidbit from chapter 2 of What Would the Rockefellers Do by Garrett B. Gunderson. Thank you, Garrett. Guys, really good. Yes. Get started with cash flow banking today. www.cashflowbanking.com. That is definitely. I am not an affiliate partner of Mr. Garrett. In no way am I being paid for this. I just love his work and I appreciate his work. I'm sharing it with you guys. And that's my tidbit today. I've took up like 11 minutes of your time. But what would the Rockefellers do? Find this, read it, use it. Peace, guys.